Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you some simple tricks about SQL and how to write SQL queries. In this we have some simple tricks. I'm not going to show you a lot, but this is about how to write a select statement and how to use the clause to bring some specific data from the table. For example, here is a table. The good thing about this website is so W3 schools, you can have free practice. They have some already built-in tables and it's totally free. You can just go there, find a SQL column and just practice there. So in this situation, we have a table named customer. The customer has customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, and country information. So these are all the columns. Vertically and horizontally, they are all rows. And this typically has, right now, it has 91 records. In this, you can see 91 records, but let's say if you have 100,000 records and in you are working on a SQL developer or Toad or any of the other environment, then you cannot see how many total records does it have because it only show you some certain first 100 numbers or 200 numbers or maybe 50, but it won't show you the total number. So the first step to see how many records are in the table, it's a very easy step. You can do a count here and same like you can put a column name here, but we just do a count. Either you can do a count of one first column, second column, third column, or just do a count of star. Star means everything in the table. So we just type here select COUNT in bracket star, and if you wanted to give a different name, I'll show you. So we're gonna run this command and it will show you we have 91 records. It doesn't look good, the column name like this, so you can give alias on for the column name. Let's say total. It just, I mean, you can give any name, but I'll just give you for example total and run this. It changed the column name to total and we have now 91 records. Same like if you back in the table and you wanted to see what, sorry, so you wanted to see, okay, we cannot give a name total to star because star is going to bring all the columns, my bad. So let's say we are looking for only customer names and contact names. So we are going to copy this column, and while writing a column name you have to be very specific because column name, if you type a wrong spelling, it's not going to bring the column name, but you can definitely have a small letter or capital letter. It doesn't matter because if you are using a SQL developer or a Toad, it automatically convert the small to the capital letter. But if the column name has a very specific with double quotes in it, then you have to be very specific writing a column name. So here we copy customer name and we are going to paste here, and also we are going to use contact name here, and we are separating it with comma. And now we're going to run this command, and now we have customer name and contact name information only. Here now the next step, you can just put as many column as you want and just use it. And let's say if you think this customer name is a very long name and I would just wanted to change it to a different name, you can definitely use an alias. You can use CUSD underscore name. So run this command, it changed to custom name. And same here, if you want to use contact name, change anything you want. Let's say contact name has just first name, just say first name or whatever it is you wanted to use it. So the giving an alias is actually helpful while you are joining the tables, because you cannot use bigger column names, just give some smaller ones, or if you have like multiple joinings, then you can use alias. You can also give alias to the table. Let's say if this is a table and you you give an alias A, let's say. So while coming back here, once you are in your application, you just type a dot and it gives you the list of all the columns in it. So here we did not get this because this is not so advanced. So we can just type anything like let's say contact name, because this doesn't show me everything in here, so still we are getting this. So this A is not a thing. So but once we remove A from here, it will throw an error because it is asking me what is A. This system cannot find out A, so that's it's very easy. So coming back to the table, now we have 91 records. Let's say we just wanted to find out all the customers from Germany only. So we are going to put a where clause after the whole statement select star from the table name. We're going to put where space equals to, sorry, where the column name country equals to Germany. And for Germany, because since this is the syntax, you have to put quotes around it, and once you run it, it will give you everything from Germany. So now we have 11 records from Germany. And let's say if you wanted to see like who is from only specific this zip code, so we are going to add another where clause, but next it's not going to be where, it's going to be and. The very first is where, and all others are and. So and postal code equals to, again, sorry, it was already copied. So we are going to select this and copy and paste here, and again inverted commas on around it, and now run it. We just have one record with this. Same like we have equal, we can use like command. Let's say here I just remove this whole thing, and also so country, like say we are looking for Germany again, so we type like, and we say like okay, in every country which start from G, just pull me up the record. So we type like invert comma G and percentage. Anything after Germany will be accepted, but the first letter should be G. Again, close this and run it. So we have German records, everything here. But if I put A, so we don't have anything with GA, so it's not going to pull me anything. Again, back to this, if we look for a customer name, customer name, like I wanted to find out every customer starting his name with A, so we have 4 records. But now we have, you can see we have 2 records with AN. If I put N here and run it again, it will pull me 2 records. So this is a very small starting lesson for you for SQL queries. Please just practice this. It is a very helpful tool, and you can just use it free here. And if you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and you have a good day.